Mula, a town only cheerful when its inhabitants meet yearly to celebrate and make merry with festivities. Culture has a unique way of uniting people, but also has a way of setting them apart. Practices in the name of tradition, which drew people afar from what they should cherish. There was the funeral rite that was aimed at shaming a widow. She is bullied and hooted at. Then, the dreaded of all the old customs, female genotype mutilation. Where a woman's clitoris is cut off to prevent her from sexual excitement. All in the name of protecting her from fornication when married.
Thanks to the gods, it's a baby girl.
A baby girl. Hi. Nani Fanyo.
Let me clean her up.
Okay, it's alright.
No, you have to wait. You wait here. You cannot come in.
Hi. Baby girl. Hi. Gods of my ancestors, I thank you. Thank you for the baby girl. Thank you. Hi.
This, I thank the gods that I remember this. Did you see the fire I saw today?
Fire? What fire?
I mean, from where we are coming now.
I didn't see any fire.
Udeze. Well, I don't understand you sometimes. Udeze, try to open your innermost eye so you can see. Look, you are one of the elders, so.
Yes, I know.
Then try to open your innermost eye to see the things that you are supposed to see as an elder.
Dick, I don't understand you. I don't understand.
Look, as a matter of fact, Udeze, the fire I saw today is giving me joy. I'm so happy. But don't worry. Time shall tell. Time shall tell. Let's go. Let's just go.
Does not like what it sees. Bright lights blinds me.
My birth was to shape the foundation of culture, for I was a gifted child.
Threatens to devour the savage lion. It will snatch meat from the lion's mouth because the lion exhibits fear. But it's toothless.
Can you explain to me what this parable means, Adamo?
O King of the Ides of April, the lone star, he devoured the dark cloud.
Got any meaning out of this? Very well, Almighty One. My interpretation is right. Permit me to speak. Go on! The child born of a woman threatens to overthrow your mighty empire, turning your people against you. In the mid part of April, in a year I do not know, this child will strip you off your garments, my king. What insolence! Mutiny during my reign! No! Never shall I allow this! Never! Never will it suffice, my king, for you are mightier than any king. No child is match your might. But that more speaks of the gods. And sometimes from hard wine, my king. She reeks of alcohol, and when that happens, she speaks freely and loosely. My king, she once predicted rain, and the sun blazed than ever. Relax, my king.
Mother's heart pours out to her child, and so did my mother's when, as at age 1, my feet had not gained ground to walk.
Ah, in my bed. Get there. Move now. Move.
Father, you hear that?
Son, there is nothing really. Maybe people that are walking around here. Let's concentrate on what you're doing.
Father, baby snatchers.
Baby snatchers? What about your boy? Hide.
The yam will soon be ready, okay? Then we'll take some to your father and your brother in the farm, eh? Hey. Nai, what is it?
The Obato Bulu,
hey!
They are on a task. We must leave here immediately. Obatalum, take your brother.
Father.
Take your brother also with you. Come. Get Chinaza immediately. Get Chinaza.
Nai, what do we do?
Obatalum, you will take your brother also. run very fast to my brother's house. Eh? Once it's nightfall, we will come for you people, for both of you. Eh? Oh yeah. Run. Let's go.
Please, I'm tired. We need to just make it up to that tree and relax. I've never anymore again. We are sorry. Tired.
Show yourself!
I am just a man that offered help to someone that needs it.
It's quite disheartening how some people abuse this tradition all in the name of power. Why would such a child suffer for her inability to walk? Why?
His heart is the heart of a stone.
And someday, that stone cold heart will stop beating because it has become frozen.
Obatalom will take good care of his brother also. And as for my brother,
he will take them in.
Are you sure? I don't want anything to happen to my children. Are you sure?
This is a wrong place for anyone to be. So many men have died here. You little boys will die before you know it.
You lie! Our father come and save us.
Yes!
Your father will join you as soon as he shows up.
We must get out of this place, even if the easy way or the hard way. I don't care. All I know, we must get out of this place. Yes, it's true.
I like the hard way.
Shut up and go inside.
No!
I said shut up and go inside.
No!
Now get back, you little brat.
Go inside! Nonsense. Sit down. You died here.
I can't thank you enough for the kindness you and your wife have been showing to us. Nene, I have to be on my way. Let me make sure that our sons are safe. And let me keep them too. When everything is calm, I'll come back to take you and Naza along with me. Just be yourself. I sure know that they will take good care of you.
Be safe and stay out of the sight of those wicked people.
I will.
Safe journey.
As for your family, be rest assured that they are safe even in your absence.
Thank you. I have to be going.
Bye.
Huh? I'll see you.
Okay.
I come for the custody of my two sons. Who is this cockroach? Has the nerve to barge into my palace? Have you no respect or fear for royalty? I give respect to those that deserve it, and I accord it to those I wish to.
Careful where you tread, Anene.
I did not come here to banter words with anybody. With any of you. I have come to take my 2 sons home.
So he's just a mere farmer that have the audacity. For once, I thought you were a mighty warrior. You seek for your sons, you said. Very well then. Take him to his sons at once.
Move in!
I said I came for my
move.
For my 2 sons.
Move! Go! Move!
I am very sorry for stopping you here. The snake seen by one person always turns to a python. The way and manner this our king, King Nganga, takes the decisions these days in this kingdom without due considerations of the cabinet members gives me so much concern.
Oh.
It gives me so much concern. And if I continue to attack him, it will seem as if I have hatred on him. Okay. Take the case of Anene as a typical example.
It really bothers me. You can imagine the kingdom being ruled by a tyrant and also receiving advice from his fellow tyrants.
Yes!
Hi.
Yes! Birds of the same feather.
Oh.
I just pray that this kingdom, Kula, will have a new face. I just pray that.
I pray so.
I pray that the gods of our land will keep us alive to witness that great day that will come. We shall all rejoice.
I pray so. I pray so.
Let's go.
He may be on his way coming back. If you embark on this journey, you may miss him.
Do you know your way back to your kingdom?
The gods will lead the way. Take care of yourselves. In due time, my family will come and show appreciation.
Have you seen my husband?
Yes. I saw him while cooking at the palace. He was exchanging words with the king.
Hey! Ghost of our land.
Hope all is well.
I plead for mercy, O king. Please, have them released.
You recognize me as your king, but your husband does not. He came here challenging my authority. So why will I grant him mercy?
He spoke from a bleeding heart, my king. He is a man that has his family at heart. And anything touching them puts him on edge. Please, my king, I beg of you.
You defile our customs by running away with a cursed child. Have you no knowledge that that brings a bad omen? A child unable to walk for the first year of her life.
She walks.
The concern was not because I could not walk at age 1. The concern was that the wicked king has set a ruling from an old custom that children unable to walk by then were evil and must be sacrificed. Such was the fear, and I was a clear victim.
Very well done. This is a proof enough. Take her to her family at once.
Yes, my king.
Stop.
Sorry, but I can hear a call of my ancestors beckoning on me to come, and I must answer. My spirit always be with all of you.
Nai, why are you talking like this? We will both live long to see our great-grandchildren.
Please give me Chinaza. Bring Chinaza closer to me.
She's here.
Go and get me my beads, those ones that I got from my forefathers. Okay. Uzo and Obalom will help you to search for them.
Okay. Yeah, let's go.
My precious daughter Chinazam.
As the king, authority, hereby order for his body to be burnt. And this passed on to anyone who disobeys my order. Samuel.
Customs of the land. A dead person is a spiritual being transiting into the world of the unknown. Certain rites are believed to be necessary for such journey. And my father was not exempted.
Nobody challenges my authority.
Anene, we are talking about Anene. Eh? A straightforward human being has just been led to rest. Led to the Mother Earth. So we will never see him again. Hey!
Decudency, Ndokak, what shall it profit the king, wasting innocent blood?
If the gods are still alive, then this is their fight.
Oppression, intimidation, dehumanization. When shall all this stop? Hey! Kula! Kulora! Kula, the great kingdom, your day of joy is near. And I'm here alive to be a witness to the surgeon.
When will all this stop? When will you people stop taking our little ones and our mothers? When?
made it clear that she will not cook for you both. So you better look for another option.
So what, Drano? There's no problem. She might decide not to cook for you people. Am I you people? Those are you people. I am Oba. Also. So she has gone to cook for her brothers, not you people. Yeah. So let her cook for us. We need to go and eat.
Well, Nne, that threat is for those who cannot cook. As for me, you know I can cook.
Of course, I know you can cook. But some people here cannot cook.
Ozo, were you actually referring to him?
Mbang.
Huh? Mama, you even supported him?
Yes.
One day, just one day, I will kill the fattest grass cutter and I will prepare soup for you. And let me shock you, none of you will eat the food.
Child, the question you ask can only be answered by gods.
Don't tell me that. You people are the one eating all the cows and goats, all in the name of tradition. Do not involve the God.
This same tradition has been there before you were born. I advise you to direct your questions to the gods.
Good. Let me consult the gods by myself.
What?
Yes. Let me consult the gods by myself.
You are the light. Yes. yes. But a lot of
What is going on there? Wherever it is must have a complaint for the king. Guards! Let her come. Let her in. Let her in. You two girls speak. I implore you to speak.
I want to ask you a question, and you must answer me.
What's again?
A child that dances Sulugede dance does not know that Sulugede is a dance of the spirits. How dare you? How dare you use such authoritative word on our Igwe, my king?
Yiko.
Yes, my king.
Let her speak. I am running out of patience.
Explain to me why 12 months children are taken away from their mother. Or when men die, their wife suffers. What kind of a king are you? Why unleash this level of cruelty on the same people you rule? I want to ask you a question. Is this leadership or wickedness? What is your agenda?
No! My king, Butu, just take it easy. She's only a child.
Only a child? Only a child?
Useless child.
I am the king.
Yes.
The king. First king of Kula.
Yes.
Nganga.
Yes.
Uganga. Does she have no fear? Huh?
That child, I don't even know whether she's a child. I don't know. But whatever, my good king, I say her, she speaks from the place of pain and concern.
No! She has no right to speak!
Yes.
I am the king!
Yes.
I speak for the people!
Adamaka.
I speak with the people!
Adamaka.
And I speak to the people!
Adamaka. Igwenganga.
Izu, my good king, I want you to find out who she is, what family she comes from.
My king, I will do exactly as you have instructed. Igwenganga, Igwenina, you are a great king. The king of our time. The great king of our time. Why you?
It's so good to see you out here. The gods has favored me. Please, come. Let us go back to my house so that I can offer you fresh palm wine and meat. It's a pleasure to behold your presence in my father's house.
And what if I tell you I'm not coming from the place?
It is obvious that this route only leads to the palace. And this is the only road to my house.
Don't be surprised I didn't go there to see.
See, my prince, you must talk to your father to abolish all these evil practices.
What evil practices, my jewel?
Are you happy seeing little children snatched from their parents and killed just because they cannot work for the first 12 months of their life? Or are you happy the way widows are being treated? You must talk to your father. Tell him to stop all these evil practices. Else, I will stop talking to you.
Naza?
But she should have removed the pot from the fire. Chinaza!
Mama, from the look of things, Chinaza is not around. Can't you see that everywhere is empty?
So what are we going to eat now?
What are we going to eat? That's a very wonderful question. And I think I know the answer. You know, we have other people that knows how to cook, so...
You both should keep quiet. Let me think.
you coming from? Moving around the village of Kula like a commoner.
Is it wrong that I choose to relate with the people of our land the way I want to?
Then you're not fit for kingship. Maybe I can as well impregnate one of my concubines to bear me a son to take after my legacy.
What legacy are you talking about, father? What legacy? The same legacy that puts the life of a commoner in danger? Oh, please.
What are you talking about?
The maiden that left this palace. Why did she visit? Why?
Yiko! That's my king! Take this fool and make sure he gets 20 strokes for disrespecting and questioning the king.
The king have spoken, and his wish is my command. Iba,
you can't do that to me, father. You can't.
Move it. I say you should move it. Move it. Move it. And receive your punishment.
Are you mad? No, Yiko, have you lost your senses? No. Don't you know that I am the crown prince of Kula and you want to lash me?
My prince, I'm not mad. The king have declared a word and it must come to pass. Else I'll be punished. My prince, calm down. Because I wouldn't want to force you.
Yiko, I dare you. I dare you, Yiko.
Me?
Yes.
Flog him! Flog the hell out of him!
Who gave this girl, Chinaza, the god to confront the great king, Ezenganga? The great lion that we all fear. Onyemerifa.
Udeze.
DK, I am hearing you. Go ahead.
Udeze, how many times did I call you?
3.
Good. So that you will hear me clearly.
I'm all ears.
There's a market anywhere. At a corner in your heart. That one day, during the test of time, I am not speaking mincing words. I am going to seek redress of this question that you have just asked of me. Yes.
It's okay. DK, I am talking about something that is an important issue. And you are smiling over it, DK. It is not done. No matter what.
Wonders shall never end. You can imagine. Elders I heard will never be in the home when a goat delivers in tatters. But this time around, it happens. It happens and happens regularly. Look at the elders of our time. It is very unfortunate. But I will never be a part of them. I will never. I will never offer my dead body.
I do not care how long it has been rooted. And I do not care how deep the root has gone. It is time to uproot it.
Yeah. Chinaza, uproot her. How do you intend to do that? Knowing fully well that you're a daughter of a nobody. How? Tell me.
With your help, brother, and mother, all of you, and the entire village, let us rally and put a stop to all these evil practices.
Now listen, let me tell you something you do not know. This is a tradition that have lived even before our ancestors. This tradition can never be changed, not even by the king himself. Do you understand me? You can't do anything about it. And if you want to dare, our lives are in danger. Don't involve me. I am not a party to it.
I understand every problem has a solution. And this is not different. Let's fight together and stop all this.
Deep down, we know it is wrong. But,
mother, that's where you go. We all know it's wrong. And we are silent over it. Mother, you are a woman. Are you happy?
Wait. Great warrior of Kula Kingdom. From the way you are sounding, I can sense strength. So tell me,
yes.
What is your plan?
To get certain important support. I just finished talking with the king and Adamu.
If she have developed Obanje, you had better take her to Adamu. Because I will never ever endanger my life. And if you bank it, you do a poke, you look open, Bob the day I make you.
So, she's late Anine's daughter?
Yes, my king. Yes.
I remember that woman refused me to taste of a honey pot. Now she has a daughter, a grown daughter. Good work. Good work, isn't it? Now you'll go and get me one of those widows to relax my night with.
Why, great king, you will hear our weakest week on Adam. It's a very wonderful thing. It is good. Oh, Wobala. My king, the usual.
No. Yes, something different. Get me the wife of the Panwani Tapa that just died. She's a beautiful woman.
Sorry, you mean late Mazikena's wife?
Yes.
You will lie. You go back, you will lie. You will lie. No, what I'm saying is this: that woman is beautiful. It's beautiful. That woman is beautiful. There's no problem. I will get her. I will get her immediately. You were bye. Should I start going now? Maga, you are a very reasonable man. Yes, as far as this life is concerned, I don't know why people like this to be. Oh, now I'm going. How are you?
As you can see, I'm fine.
Come
and sit down.
No. No need for that. No need for that. I came in my full capacity as the royal messenger. Iwenganga, the king of all kings. I have a good news for you. The good king said that he wants you to grace his bed. He said that he has found me attractive and he would like to have best of you. What a wonderful privilege.
Oh. So you want me to grace him?
Yes.
What should I do?
Why are you asking what should you do? No problem. All you need to do is just follow me to the palace. That's all.
I'll just go to the palace and enjoy myself.
Yes.
Hi.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. No problem. I'm waiting.
Okay.
I'm going to say I'm a job in. Oh, what a great woman. She has serious understanding about royal things.
I'm sure he is coming from my house. But why is he running? What has he done?
Igwe, my king. My king.
Ogini, what is it?
My king. She chased me with machete.
A mere woman chased you, and you're panting like this?
She nearly killed me. You
are an idiot. You're a fool.
Yes.
I sent you on an errand, and you tell me she chased you. Do you know what that means? It means she chased the king away!
Sorry, I didn't know it's up to that. I'm sorry.
You will go back and get me that woman, or else you will get into trouble with me. Izu, do not let me revisit your case.
Martin, please don't revisit my case. Because don't revisit my organized boy. I will do everything. Hey, but I can repeat.
I don't know what has happened, but whatever it is, please, Bikon, you have to stop crying. We have cried enough. Henny, Bikon, please.
stop crying.
That should be my little sister. Let me go and get her. You have to breastfeed her. Please, Nne. She cannot see you like this.
Let me go inside and breastfeed.
But my friend, so what offense did you commit that made your father to do this kind of thing to you?
I don't know. Wait. What are you doing?
I'm taking the advantage of the situation to feel your soft skin.
Stop! Wait. Was this why you offered to massage my bruises?
I'm sorry, my prince, but any maiden in her right sense will do what I'm doing. You are a good-looking young man. I'm yet unmarried. Well, am I not good enough to be your bride?
Just get out! Take this thing and leave. Take this thing and leave here. Are you okay? Get out!
See you coming.
And you have not touched your food.
My daughter, I am not hungry.
That is because you are worried, Nne. You are worried. What bothers your mother?
Everything. The sudden death of your father. The visit of the royal messenger. Everything bothers me. Everything.
And the inability of my sister to walk even after 14 months already.
Exactly.
Nne, she has a weak bone. I believe in due time she's going to walk. Please, Nne, you just have to eat something. Please, no matter how small it is, just try. Eat something. What you're doing is affecting me too. Nne, please, just eat something.
Okay, I will eat. But get me water first to drink.
So?
Yes, I want to drink water first.
I'm sorry, son. But my actions are to remind you that I and I alone am king. You have no mind of your own. I rule this kingdom. And if you try this stupid nonsense again, I will cut off your head.
Yes. Have we met before?
Not really. But you should not be surprised how I know you. You are royalty. It runs in your blood. It's not hidden. But don't worry. I understand your plans. All this you're facing now is a phase that will soon fade off. Okay? Have a nice day.
The maiden you just talked about. I think I know her. She's Naza by name. But there is more to that maiden than she appears. I love her girls. I love her courage. Her words gives me hope. You help me know her the more. Show me, princess. Thank you. Thank you.
You little rat! Get out of there!
I have taken over, and there's nothing you can do.
You cannot. You better get out of here before I command God to kill you. But if I do that, I will have to consult the king.
I have taken
taking over all the powers that you possess. And there's nothing you can do. Nothing. Like I said, I have taken over. And I will put a stop to all the pains in Gloria Kingdom. And there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing!
Igba mbong oburu igba mmade maka na were igba mmade njagale tie.
Greetings, Your Majesty. 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 Greetings, Your Majesty.
No! Abomination! Abomination! What in the name of the gods is going on here?
All hail the Queen of Kulana Kingdom!
No!
Greetings, Your Majesty!
No!
Greetings, Your Majesty! Greetings, Your Majesty!
No!
Greetings,
No!
Your Majesty!
No! No! No. This is not good at all. No! No! This can't be. Ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya anya. Nnukwu nwanyị ala yo. Ezigbo mama oh. Hey. Problem in this land of Corolla will soon experience a revolution.
You to my chambers this whole hour.
The Ides of April, the lion hunter has forced his ultimate arsenals to charge and will drink wine from his skull.
Madam, you of all people should know that I am no interpreter of riddles and parables.
Since you cannot understand me, let me be plain with you. Guide yourself to stand the approaching wrath instead of wallowing in lust. The word of wisdom was more than maidens.
Get out!
Calm down, Mayoli, and receive your punishment. Are
you mad? No, Yiko, have you lost your senses?
No.
Don't you know that I am the crown prince of Kula and you want to lash me?
My prince, I'm not mad. The king have declared a word, and it must come to pass. Else I'll be punished. My prince, calm down. Because I wouldn't want to force you.
Hiko, I dare you. I dare you, Hiko.
Me?
Yes.
Flog him! Flog the hell out of him! See him over here!
Who gave this girl, Chinaza, the god to confront the great king, Ezenganga? The great lion that we all fear. Onyemerifa.
Udeze, Udeze.
I am hearing you. Go ahead.
Udeze, how many times did I call you?
3.
Good. So that you will hear me clearly.
I'm all ears.
Udeze, mark it anywhere. At a corner in your heart. That one day, during the test of time, I am not speaking mincing words. I am going to seek redress of this question that you have just asked of me. Yes.
DK, I am talking about something that is an important issue, and you are smiling over it, DK. It is not done. No matter KJ, Barry.
Wonders shall never end. You can imagine. Elders I heard will never be in the home when a goat delivers in tatters. But this time around, it happens. It happens and happens regularly. Look at the elders of our time. It is very unfortunate. But I will never be a part of them. Will never. I will never offer my dead body.
I do not care how long it has been rooted. And I do not care how deep the root has gone. It is time to uproot it.
Yeah. Chinaza, uprooter, how do you intend to do that? Knowing fully well that you're a daughter of a nobody. How? Tell me.
With your help, brother, and mother, all of you, and the entire village, let us rally and put a stop to all these evil practices.
Now listen, let me tell you something you do not know. This is a tradition that have lived even before our ancestors. This tradition can never be changed, not even by the king himself. Do you understand me? You can't do anything about it. And if you want to dare, our lives are in danger. Don't involve me. I am not a party to it.
I understand every problem has a solution. And this is not different. Let's fight together and stop all this.
Deep down, we know it is wrong. But,
mother, that's where you go. We all know it's wrong. And we are silent over it. Mother, you are a woman. Are you happy?
Wait. Great warrior of Kula Kingdom. From the way you are sounding, I can sense strength. So tell me,
yes.
What is your plan?
To get certain important support. I just finished talking with the king and Adamu.
if she have developed Obanje, you had better take her to Adamo. Because I will never ever endanger my life. And if you bank it, you didn't cook it, and look up, Bob the day I
So, she's late Anine's daughter?
Yes, my king. Yes.
I remember that woman refused me to taste of a honey pot. Now she has a daughter, a grown daughter. Good work. Good work, isn't it? Now you'll go and get me one of those widows to relax my night with.
My great king, you will hear our weekend's weekend on Adama. It's a very wonderful thing. It is good. Oh, Guabala. My king, the usual.
No. Yes, something different. Get me the wife of the Panwan Tapa that just died. She's a beautiful woman.
Sorry, you mean late Mazikena's wife?
Yes.
You will lie. You go back, you will lie. You will lie. But no, what I'm saying is this: that woman is beautiful. It's beautiful. That woman is beautiful. There's no problem. I will get her. I will get her immediately. You were bye. Should I start going now? Maga, you are a very reasonable man. Yes, as far as this life is concerned, I don't know why people are being stupid. Oh, now I'm going. How are you?
As you can see, I'm fine. Come and sit down.
No need for that. No need for that. I came in my full capacity as the royal messenger. Iwenganga, the king of all kings. I have a good news for you. The good king said that he wants you to grace his bed. He said that he has found me attractive and he would like to have taste of you. What a wonderful privilege.
Oh.
You said you want me to grace him.
Yes, yes.
What should I do?
Why are you asking what should you do? No problem. All you need to do is just follow me to the palace. That's all.
I will just go to the palace and enjoy myself.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Good.
Hi.
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. No problem. I'm waiting.
Okay.
I'm going to say I'm job. Oh, what a great woman. She has serious understanding about real things.
I'm sure he is coming from my house. But why is he running? What has he done?
Igwe, my king. My king.
Ogini, what is it?
My king. She chased me with machete.
A mere woman chased you, and you're panting like this?
She nearly killed me. You
are an idiot. You're a fool.
Yes.
I sent you on an errand, and you tell me she chased you. Do you know what that means? It means she chased the king away!
Hey, sorry. I didn't know it's up to that. I'm sorry.
You will go back and get me that woman, or else you will get into trouble with me. Izu, do not let me revisit your case.
Magic, please don't revisit my case. People don't revisit my organized boy. I will do everything. Hey, but I can marry people.
I don't know what has happened, but whatever it is, Bikon, you have to stop crying. We have cried enough. Enne, Bikon, please.
Stop crying.
That should be my little sister. Let me go and get her. You have to breastfeed her. Please, She cannot see you like this.
Let me go inside and breastfeed. But my friend, so what offense did you commit that made your father to do this kind of thing to you?
I don't know. Ah. Wait. What are you doing?
I'm taking the advantage of the situation to feel your soft skin.
Stop! Wait. Was this why you offered to massage my bruises?
I'm sorry, my prince. But any maiden in her right sense will do what I'm doing. You are a good-looking young man. I'm yet unmarried. Well, am I not good enough to be your bride?
Don't you just get out! Take this thing and leave. Take this thing and leave here. Are you okay? Get out!
Your food.
See you coming.
And you have not touched your food.
My daughter, I am not hungry.
That is because you are worried, Nne. You are worried. What bothers you, mother?
Everything. The sudden death of your father. The visit of the royal messenger. Everything bothers me. Everything.
And the inability of my sister to walk even after 14 months already.
Exactly.
Nne, she has a weak bone. I believe in due time she's going to walk. Please, Nne, you just have to eat something. Please, no matter how small it is, just try. Eat something. What you're doing is affecting me too, Nne. Please, just eat something.
Okay, I will eat. But get me water first to drink.
So?
Yes, I want to drink water first.
I'm sorry, son. But my actions are to remind you that I and I alone am king. You have no mind of your own. I rule this kingdom. And if you try this stupid nonsense again, I will cut off your head.
Yes. Have we met before?
Not really. But you should not be surprised how I know you. You are royalty. It runs in your blood. It's not hidden. But don't worry. I understand your plans. All this you're facing now is a phase that will soon fade off. Okay? Have a nice day.
The maiden you just talked about. I think I know her. She's Naza by name. But there is more to that maiden than she appears. I love her girls. I love her courage. Her words gives me hope. You help me know her more. Show me, princess. Thank you. Okay.
You little rats! Get out of there!
I have taken over, and there's nothing you can do.
You cannot! You better get out of here before I command God to kill you! But if I do that, I will have to consult the king!
I have taken over all the powers that you possess, and there's nothing you can do. Nothing. Like I said, I have taken over, And I will put a stop to all the pains in Gloria Kingdom. And there's nothing you can do about it. Nothing!
Igba mmọnwụ ọ bụrụ ịgba mmadụ maka na o nwere ịgba mmadụ njegele tie.
Greetings, Your Majesty. 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 Greetings, Your Majesty.
No! Abomination! Abomination! What in the name of the gods is going on here?
All hail the Queen of Kulana Kingdom!
No!
Greetings, Your Majesty.
No!
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty.
No!
Greetings,
No!
Your Majesty.
No! No! No. This is not good at all. No! No! This can't be. Ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya anya. Nnukwu nwanyị ala anyị o. Ezigbo mama o. Hai! Government in this land of Corolla will soon experience a revolution.
What brings you to my chambers this old hour?
The ides of April, the lion hunter has forced his ultimate arsenals to charge and will drink wine from his skull.
Adamu, you of all people should know that I am no interpreter of riddles and parables.
Since you cannot understand me, let me be plain with you. Guide yourself to stand the approaching wrath instead of wallowing in lust. The word of wisdom was more than maidens.
Get out!
wicked king. How could he do this to his own son?
You know, I have always known my father to be a very wicked person. You see, this time, he's not going to get away with this humiliation.
And what are you going to do? Fight your father? My prince, you certainly cannot do that.
Why shouldn't I?
Okay. I know he's cruel to you. But you certainly cannot fight your father. He still remains your father.
Then what do you want me to do? What?
Forgive and let go. Let him be the one to feel remorseful at the end of the day.
What a good woman you are. The gods have truly blessed me for making you mine.
I'm sure with my activities and revolutionary ideas, your father will hate me and he will influence you towards me.
Naza, I cannot leave you. Nobody can make me hate you.
In my farm.
We are laborers from the palace. Inaizu sent us.
What have we done to the king?
I never said the king. I said Inaizu.
Well, he's a royal messenger, and he works for the king.
We are not working under the authority of the king, rather of Naizu.
What do we do?
Stay here. I will be back.
No. I'm coming with you.
Get it tight!
Ogochukwu.
Woman, as you can see, my king is not available to attend to anybody. So I advise you to go home.
Biko, please, I beg you. I want my baby. See, I don't mind if the king takes away all the lands. If the king take away all the land that my husband left behind, I will not quarrel. I won't even talk about it.
Why?
I want is my baby.
Why?
Biko.
Atwolo omalo. Atwolo ofeke. Ofenye isi novia. Your child, the child in question you are talking about, might have been used for sacrifice to the gods of our land.
Hey.
So, I advise you to go home and mourn your late husband.
Hey. I want my baby. Give me my baby, give me my baby, give me my baby.
Yes!
Give me my baby! Give me my child! Give me my Give me my baby. I want my baby.
Stop! Stop.
Give me my baby. I want you to give me my baby.
Oh, you are the mother of the baby?
Yes.
The evil child. Well, the baby has been used for sacrifice. And I believe that by now, the gods must have been feeding on her food.
It's your flesh that they will feed on. And
Stop!
Let this nonsense not repeat itself again.
God!
Let them give me my baby.
Listen. Let this nonsense not repeat itself again. Confronting the king is a very bad and dangerous decision. Submit yourself to me out of the palace, else you will be banished from this kingdom.
What is that? Please avoid them for now. We'll have to fight another day. Please, Ne, please. Please, for my sake, Ne, please, I beg you. Please. Ne, please. Please.
I want my baby.
Lives with them.
No.
Trying above. Rise and fall.
Give me my baby. Give me my baby.
Who will ravage the situation? Nakulora.
So how did you get her to stand still?
My great king, everything is in order. I have taken over her farm that she's currently harvesting, and her child is among the children now will be sacrificed today.
You're sure about that?
Hey, my king, are you doubting me again? I handed everything over to Iko. You know who Iko is. Iko cannot go for such thing and fail. No, it's not possible. So everything is in order.
So she's stranded right now?
Yes.
Good. But we must push. We must push her some more. Push her beyond her limit, so she doesn't have any other choice but to come to me. Whatever you do, make sure it doesn't affect her beauty.
I will not allow it to affect her beauty. I will not beauty. It will not affect her beauty. I'm a strategist. I know the game.
Yes, we must marry. You have done a good job.
Oh, yeah, loyally. You
Igba! Igba mmọnwụ ọ bụrụ ịgba mmadụ.
So who will speak up? Who will rise and fight for the freedom of the people? Who will
So they sell those babies, but make it look as if they are used for sacrifice. All those babies. Hey!
Their souls rest in peace. Their soul might rest in peace, but my soul will not until I put a stop to all these atrocities happening in this land. I will not rest.
How wicked. Oh, wait. Chinaza, are you sure about this? Really sure?
Eh? Do you know, most times I ask myself if Uzo, my brother, is okay. Why would she lie in the first place? Why would she?
There is no evidence to this accusation. Huh? Even if there is evidence, who are we going to report to? Who? We cannot report the king to the king.
Of course, we have someone to report the king to.
How?
Yes. This is tradition. Him being the king does not mean that we don't have a say. No, it does not work that way. A king can actually be reported to the council of elders.
Brother, have you forgotten that he has brought all the elders to his side? Anyone who is not in support of him is either killed or banished.
Yes. Then, this is serious. So as it is now, it means we are all helpless.
Never. Never. Not when I, Naza, is still alive. I will put a stop to all this. And the movement starts now.
Chinaza.
Let's have it.
What is all this? Where is she going to? What if something goes wrong?
No, nothing will happen to her. When looking at her, you know that she's not... There is something about Chinaza that we need to know. You understand? Just leave her. Let her be.
She's very determined. And as for me, I am solidly behind her. Hi.
not be an easy one, but I'm ready to stand behind Naza in this struggle.
Gogo Ibo. I, Mporoma, I am ready to fight. Even if we all die, let it be recorded that we died for something. Let it be recorded that we died for the right cause, because I will not die a coward.
That is the spirit. My sisters, I am strongly behind you both. Please, take some money.
Let's give me from your own, please.
This is
mine. Okay, open it for me.
This task that you have taken upon yourself, isn't it too much of a burden for you to bear?
I must admit it's tough. At some point, I'm on the verge of giving up. But looking at all these whole things happening, I can't just let go.
You know why it is so? As that you were born a leader. This is your calling. And it makes me proud of you.
I wish other men thought as we did and come rally with us. But they do not experience the pain this practice inflicts on women, so they seem not to care.
Time will tell. Keep doing what is right. And you know, when it comes to the men, you have my full support.
It says it's personal.
Woman, you are needed at the palace.
Of what interest do I have with the palace? I am not a royal blood. And everything that my husband left for me, your king has taken them all.
Woman, I am sure it's no more longer a surprise news to you that my king desires your body.
And you tell your king that I am not interested. Tell him I said so.
Why? You know no man or woman has her own say in this kingdom. Dad, get her.
You coward of a king! You have done your worst! And I will never allow you have carnal knowledge of me. Never! Miserable fool!
Well, so be it. I will kill myself if I don't have you screaming my name in the other chamber. Nganga, Nganga, Nganga.
Never!
Yiko!
Odogu, prepare her. Prepare her for me. Why? I beg. Move it!
Wicked man! Rebel man!
Move it!
The clouds will kill you! Wicked man!
Move it!
I am
What sort of insult and disrespect is this?
How can a small girl of yesterday rise up to challenge a tradition of our land? How sensible is this?
It is only senseless to an unreasonable person like you. This is a major campaign to bring sanity to our land, and here you are ranting. My prince, I do not blame you.
Coming from a royal blood, I am disappointed at you. My prince, do not be a coward. Watch your words. Watch your words. How dare you say that to me?
I'll deal with you in this kingdom.
See, my prince, please don't get it all wrong. The idea is not just about abolishing a male tradition, but for us men, submitting ourselves to a male maiden.
That is it.
A simple maiden.
Just shut up. The both of you have foolish pigs. In fact, get out of here.
Get out.
But my prince, I haven't said that.
I said get out. Stupid men. Cowards. Mami, I think these people have certain influences.
I think you should stay off their bad side.
They need to be stopped. Ubatulu, you have to help your sister to rally to stop these nonsensical practices. And you too, Uzo.
My prince, it is not as easy as you think. It's not.
The problem we have is your father. If you overthrow him and assume that throne as the king, my prince, this kingdom will be a better place for us. Just imagine, you have a listening ear. He doesn't. You have a kind heart. He's a tyrant. You have the interest of the kingdom at heart, but he doesn't care even if the entire kingdom perishes today. If you can overthrow him, become the king of this kingdom will be very, very peaceful for all of us to live. Think about it.
That's very true.
Are you okay? I don't know. I feel scared. You will be scared. This battle is not easy. Because it's not going to be easy for us to fight this tyrant called King. Don't give up on me now. Please. You got it all wrong. I feel different. You know, let me go home and check on my mother. Then wait. Let me go home with you. Use this opportunity and talk to your mother. At least apologize for taking you out since morning. Okay, fine.
Take her remains back to her husband's compound to be buried.
Where is he? Where is the king? Where is that evil vulture in this palace? How's the palace of Uganda? Where is he?
Hey, stop there! Stop there!
Don't block me! Don't do that! Block me! Don't
Dare
block
you!
me! Where is he? Where is the king? Where is the evil? Where is your called king?
Can you want to walk in and go to know someone?
Where is the king? Where is the king? You evil king! You can kill the body before you cannot touch the soul! You killed my mother! I challenge you to face me! You evil king! You bastard! Useless fool! I challenge you to face me, man to woman!
Yiko! Odogu!
Take this disrespectful rat. Lock her up in prison. I will attend to her tomorrow.
Odogu to grab Anu. Can you make you? I will
Don't touch me! I will come for you! I will kill you!
I said get inside.
Don't talk to me like that. Let me out of here. Let me out of here. Let me out of here.
Silent. 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 I said silent. Ogochukwu, are you surprised? Are you surprised that most of the girls we banished are not really banished? We keep them here available for the king whenever he desires. And I hope the king will enjoy you. Iba! We want more. Opera Iba money.
Never.
Iba! We want more. Opera King money.
Let me out of here.
My king will enjoy you. My king will enjoy you.
I said let me out of here.
If giving up was an option, I would not have started at first.
Listen to yourself, little sister. If giving up was an option, just listen to yourself. Now tell me, what is the point? What is the point that the people you're sacrificing for are not even showing appreciation? They don't even regard it. What is your gain?
When they hear our voice, they will understand. And when that time comes, on which side will you be? On their side or on the side of the truth?
You speak not for yourself, sister, but for the people. The voice of the people is the voice of our gods. And for this, I, Uzodinma, rally behind you. I lost your father when you were still young. And you know this. He was a believer of change. What was the outcome? He was bent without being bent, just to save you and protect you. And we can't do that.
Oh, mother, father would have expected something better. If you will not support me, I will continue this. It will not just end like this.
I don't want to lose you. You
won't lose me.
I am ready, Nazar. I am ready to sacrifice my life for the happiness and emancipation of Kola. Kola must be free from the wickedness and tyrannism. If you can stand up for this, then who am I to be coward in the face of adversaries?
Sometimes I pity Princess Oyin so much. Imagine giving birth to out of wedlock and not living in the palace as a princess should.
I even heard that the king hates her mother, who happens to be one of the king's ex-mistresses, so much.
If not for the fact that the bushes has ears, I would have said something. But let's leave it to Faith.
I think you are right, my dear. Let's go.
Greetings, my princess and my friend. Don't worry. What is the matter?
Looking at the prevailing situation I am going through, I am not happy. Imagine the Princess of Kola living in bondage.
It is okay.
You don't understand.
The fact still remains that you are royalty, and no one can dispute that.
You don't understand.
Smile for me, great Princess of Kola. I was actually going on an errand. I know you love to do it. Right? Okay. Get home.
It is time we live upright and enjoy our rights as citizens and human beings. The fire I prophesied so many years ago is Naza. I am so happy that I am alive to see that fire blaze. Even if I die today, I die a happy man, seeing someone standing on the path of right and truth to counter the intimidation of our so-called king, Nganga. How long shall we sit and watch him continue to intimidate us? How long shall our children continue to suffer in his hand?
Please, count me out of this rebellious act against Nganga.
And me too.
Ichie, have you seen it? Have you seen it? But I want to show you one thing. That cowards die so many times before their death. We shall see.
Why? As a princess, I'm supposed to be staying in the palace. We are supposed to be royalty. What a why?
Nganga. Don't worry, my daughter. I know that time will come. You will reap all he has sown. Imagine Lami, the prince, treated like a commoner.
Mother, Mother, no. Mother, I cannot imagine having another brother from a different woman entirely. No, father is really a whore.
Huh? Don't speak evil of your father. Huh? Don't worry, my daughter. He will reap all what he has sown. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, stop crying. Marishan, stop crying. It's okay. It's okay.
So Chinaza has finally succeeded in convincing you with her mere words. Huh?
Brother, these are not just mere words. They have a soul to it. We are living in a cruel land with inhuman treatment given to our women and children. So men are even experiencing the harshness. Brother, Papa was a victim.
That is tradition. That is tradition. It's a tradition that has lived before our people. This is a tradition that has lived before our ancestors. Nobody can change it, not even you nor me.
Can we deny the truth? Can we? We endanger these women and children, even ourselves too. Brother, let me ask you this.
You are soon to be married. What will become of you if you get married and your beloved child is taken from you and killed because he or she could not walk within the first 12 months?
Joya.
Won't you be endangered then if you protest?
Joya.
Let's not deny the truth.
Tell him, Mom.
Huh?
So who will
Let's not deny the truth. Let's not deny it.
Who will rise and fight for the freedom of the people?
We have lost our ways in the name of cultural practices and tradition. Yes, tradition cannot be dispelled, but of what use it is when it kills its people? Tradition are made for man and not man for tradition.
Yes.
The time is coming, the moment of awakening, when the sons and daughters of Kulala Kingdom will stand in one voice and say, never again!
Never again! Never again! Never again!
Follow after grasshopper.
You! Watch your tongue! I will say no insult to me. Give me like a good.
What have you been sent to deliver, Mr. Messenger?
You little useless cockroach! I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in your life. You! It's here! So we kill them all! You can't not this here! You won't be one.
This fight must continue. It will not stop. It will never stop.
I can't wait for all this to be over, so that I can finally show the world what a good woman the gods has blessed me with.
But are you not afraid that your father will deny you your rightful throne?
If it is the will of the gods, I will be crowned king at the rightful time. But with or without being king, you, Naza, would forever be my queen. Come.
It will not happen. He has taken more than he required. What kind of thing is this? It's an abominable. Yes, it was you. It was you who led that rowdy delegation to you.
How dare you? How dare you You are supposed to be my son! You're rallying my enemies against me to destroy me! These people are the people of Kula who are under the law. Kulora has its traditions, but you choose to trample on the rights of the people. Father, the earlier you abolish this hideous tradition, the better it will be for all of us. I have warned you. I have warned you. Shut up! How dare you warn me? I am Ganga. I am Ganga. You have to warn you for what is about to happen. Yes.
Daughter, have a return on your decision. I don't want to lose you. I know your father very well, and I know how much he is intoxicated by power.
Mother, every human being comes to this world once.
How dare you, father? You sent your guards to come burn us alive. What if we had died in the process?
Are you out of your mind? Are you mad? How dare you? How dare you speak to our king like that? Do you know who you are speaking to like that? Look at you. A prince without integrity. You don't have any respect for kingship. Yes.
I only have respect for those who deserve it. He cannot forcefully ask me to respect him. He has to earn it. His kingship has no equality to the law. Enough!
Don't mind him. That boy. Sometimes I begin to imagine. Anyway, don't mind him. He's a coward. He knew he cannot stand your wrath. That's why he ran away. Idiot like him. But at the same time, he went Ganga. Sometimes I begin to wonder, no. I don't mean to offend you. Oh, come on. I don't mean to offend you.
It's okay. Calm down. You know I can handle this. That is why you brought her here. We all know the atrocities she has committed with the king of Kula that made the people of Kula to seek asylum here. We all know the pains and afflictions she has inflicted on people. Not to talk of those innocent ones who lost their lives in the cause of justice. So calm down.
She must die. She must die. She must die. She must die.
Please, forgive me. It is not my fault.
Then whose fault?
It was the king that lured me into this. I never know that it will turn out worse like this. Please, Ikono, forgive me.
Hey! Let this be the last time you get me! What if I do it again? What will you do? I stupid! Are you crazy?
My son, this show of shame today must never repeat itself again. Zelo, you should learn how to control your younger one. Despite whatever he might have done to you. Is that how you're going to rule this kingdom when I'm no more? Eh? Do you prefer using coercive approach on them? Look, my son, with dialogue, you can overcome many odds. And you, Chakube, do you need a soothsayer to tell you that Zel is a sinner and deserves a lot of respect? But father, shut up! I don't want to hear anything from you. I don't want to hear any nonsense you want to say. You must learn to respect Zelo. Must. I'm disappointed. Leave my son. My son, just for like as I said earlier, you should wake up to your responsibilities. You should start learning how to handle your subjects. See, the future of this kingdom lies in your hands. Should I join my ancestors tomorrow?
Hey, father, you got me scared.
Oh no. I'm not going to die now. I'm not going to die now. But death is unavoidable factor. It doesn't give notice. So, I'm only telling you the voice of a father who wants his son to prosper and be a big king, a great king, if not the greatest king to reign in one kingdom.
Thank you, father. I must say this is a huge relief. And father, I'm so sorry for what happened today. I promise you to not repeat itself again.
Thank you very much.
I will learn how to tolerate my younger brother.
I'm happy that you learn very quickly. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Keep it up. Thank you. Very good.
The God has really blessed us with a man such as him. I know he is going to be a very good king if his father dies.
I could not even imagine myself that I left Oyedika, that I almost killed with my parents. Indeed, soft words steal away wrath.
His words were so touching. It pierces through my heart, just even more than the bullet. I tell you, it changes my mindset from negativity to positivity. Indeed, it is said that dialogue solves problems more than violence.
If I must tell you the truth, Ukbo will create a remarkable history on the surface of this earth.
I have no doubt about it with Prince Zelu on the throne.
You know my reason of coming. You know my happiness. I hope you have a cup of palm wine for me.
You are on palm wine.
I better go and get me one.
Highness, I greet you. You and the prince, the king, in the bedroom. You want to have good time. You want to make love. And they stretch your hand, spoil the love. People want to make love.
My prince! Oh, my friend is gone. Thinking about who doesn't know she exists. Please come, let's not fetch water.
Why did you invite me here? Chukube, I invited you here because I want us to have a very important discussion. Chukube, I don't like the way you treat our people. I don't like the way you treat them. These are our people. Chukube, I want both of us to join hands together and move this kingdom to the next level, Chukube. And not treating our people like slaves. Chukube, my brother, we are leaders and not traders. We are democrats and not dictators. Loving and enough! You do not teach me how to mind my own business. You have no right. And avoid me. Avoid me! Chukube. Chukube!
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? You up! Get up! Get up from there! You up! Get up! How dare you? Zulu, how dare you?
But why may the people kneel before you? Are you Chukwokikabiama? Are you the gods themselves? Are you the kings of kings?
Father, this will be the last time I will report this to you. Because the next time Zelu will intrude in my affairs, I will!
my daughter. Thanks the gods for choosing you the next Ezenwani of Nkpo Kingdom.
Thank you, Nne.
You know what you represent now. You must abide by the rules of the gods. Ezenwani are special gifted maiden created by Oseboluwa. As such, you must keep your body sacred and undefiled. You must always speak the truth. I know that the gods will lead you.
He say,
because they choose you themselves.
Nne, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I promise to abide by all you've said.
He say,
oh, sister, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
You have our full support.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
May the gods
Thank you very
bless you. I'm happy for you.
Lives with them, trying above, rise and fall. So who will ravage the situation? Nakulora.
No!
Hey!
No. My king! My king! My king! My king! Father! My king! Father! My king!
This is not going to be easy. I do not see the future of this kingdom in the hand of Prince Chekube. He is different from his father, Arnett King.
He is so mean and full of himself. I see a state of anarchy and lawlessness in this kingdom.
Let us watch and see if the kingship of this kingdom will change him for good. Let's go.
This woman is a
The evil man lives with them. Trying above, rise and fall. So who will ravage the situation? Nakulora.
Odogu, I see fire in her eyes, but they quench not.
They will be quenched when she have been dealt with as planned, Your Majesty.
Well, rumors have it that she is a virgin.
Yes, my king. Well,
I will have her in my personal chamber, but I'm afraid she may not experience joy because she is circumcised. Until then, lock her up with the others. I will attend to her later.
Yes, my king.
Naza, today is a lucky day for you because my king is a merciful king. I thought he could have given me the authority to spill your blood, but he said I should leave you.
Have you ever imagined your dark days? Have you? You wicked guy. Have you ever imagined your dark days?
Naza! Iba! Guards! Take her away! Come move!
My precious daughter Chinazam, you are that light Kula needs to shine. And when that time comes, the world will hear of you.
And then a mighty
treat fair.
You have been offered a priceless opportunity. Yes. A moment with the king is a blessing. But to beg the king is double blessings.
If sleeping with you is the only way I'll be blessed, let me remain cursed.
Oh, I love the fire in your eyes. But I will attribute that to pride. But today, I will deflower you, and that pride will vanish.
You cannot have a double trophy, you tyrant king. You cannot have the life of my father claimed and also have me to your bed. Never! The people will come and rise against you!
The people will wait! It is you and I! Let go! Now!
This is just the beginning! More are coming for you! More!
I will use you as a ticket to escape! Let her go. Why? Why will I let her go? If you are a man, let her go and fight me man to man. I will let her go and fight you man to man, bone to bone. We want more. We want money. We want more. People! Kings are men with blood and flesh. You say I have failed you.
Yes.
But your king apologizes. Forgive your king. Forgive your king. Tyranny has come to an end in this land. Say what? Agwo ya li make agwo. Omo say wali akenko. Kashinga ike. If not for one thing. If not that we don't want to spill the blood of a tyrant king in this kingdom, I would have beheaded you.
He's going to die.
tell you, you must have an ugly end.
Yes! 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 Yes!
I thank the gods that peace and tranquility has finally returned to our land.
My sisters, I am so happy. I was so happy when I saw that tyrant of a king who feels he owns the whole world reduced to a male slave. Yeah, oh.
Indeed, my sisters, the gods are really wise in their doings.
I'm telling you, thanks to the gods.
I thank the gods, so
at least I will be happy.
Chloroquine! Chloroquine! Press on!
With happiness and great joy in my heart, I am very happy to witness this day that I see happiness on the faces of the people of Kulon.
Yeah.
And I also want to use this opportunity to welcome back my sister, Princess Onyinye.
Shall be well with you.
The change has come,
and the peace has been restored. It was a desire for change and the willingness to do.
Kulora